Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to back up your iPhone to your iCloud account. So let's get started. Really simple. First thing you're going to do is go into your setting, and up top here, make sure you're signed into your Apple account. If not, go ahead and sign in. And once you sign in, you're going to see an option for iCloud right here. So you're going to click on your iCloud, and it's going to show your iCloud storage. By default, you're going to get 5 gigs of iCloud storage. If you need to get more, you do have to upgrade to one of the bigger plans here. As you can see here, these are the options to upgrade. Now, once you have that down, you're going to go down here where it says iCloud Backup. You're going to tap on that. And then in order to go ahead and back up your iPhone to your iCloud account, all you do is click on Backup Now. And it's going to start backing up all of your data on your iPhone to your iCloud account. Basically, just saving everything to your iCloud so that if you ever need to restore from the backup, you can do it from your iCloud account. If you're maybe switching devices or getting a new one, you can do this. If you lose your device, it's a good way because then you can sign into a new iPhone and just restore from there without losing your data. So here, it may take a couple minutes to even 10-15 minutes, depending on how much data you have on your iPhone to back up. So you want to just make sure this fully goes through complete, and it will say successfully backed up in the timestamp here. So I don't have too much data here, so it's saying 1 minute for me, but sometimes I know it does take a little bit time to back up, but this is a good way to go ahead and back up your iPhone to your iCloud account. I hope this video was helpful, so please consider the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. See you guys next time.